Away they go. Strong friend from the outside, moving up by Darrell's Golden Eye. Datus Pride racing in third by Darrell alongside is Terry Tun. Strong Boy rushing up. And on the further outside is Fabiola. In the middle, Bad Boy, Gray Magic Sea-Star. Golden Eye by Alan Kenha, followed by Datus Pride. A strong friend racing in third, Terry Tun. Strong Boy is racing by Darrell to take fourth spot. Gray Magic moving up from the outside, Fabiola, Bad Boy, Sea-Star. Inside the last 650, Golden Eye, followed now by Strong Boy. And on the outside is Datus Pride, Terry Tun. From the outside, Strong Friend, Gray Magic, Fabiola. Rounding the far turn, Strong Boy rushing up now to take the lead. Golden Eye draws back in second and moving up by the Strong Friend, Terry Tun, Datus Pride, Gray Magic. As they swing for home, a Strong Boy, this time by some 3 lengths, and running inside Golden Eye. Down on the inside, Strong Friend, Terry Tun, Fabiola, Bad Boy, Gray Magic, and Golden Fantasy, Datus Pride, Sea-Star. And nearing the finish line, Strong Boy with Michael De Jesus. Second, Golden Eye. Third, Terry Tun, Golden Fantasy, Fabiola, Strong Friend, Datus Pride, Bad Boy, Gray Magic, and Sea-Star comes last.